Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn the food we eat together, step by step. In this chapter, we learn about the food we eat. Food gives us energy to play, learn, and grow. We eat many kinds of food. Fruits like apple and banana, vegetables like carrot. Rice and roti fill our tummy, and we drink milk and water. To stay strong, we eat fruits and vegetables and drink lots of water. We always wash our hands before eating, and we chew our food slowly. Let us learn some new words. Food, fruit, healthy, eat. Healthy food keeps us strong. To recap, the food we eat helps us grow strong. We eat fruits and vegetables, drink water, and wash our hands first. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.